we are 38 days into this year. I wouldn't say that we've gotten the best start of all the years that I can remember. You know, being a cellist and working alone so much of the time, I sometimes feel like I am working on my own little, playset while the world burns right outside of my window. And this is a group that has immense commitment to social justice, to what is going on in their lives as well as other people's lives. Their residency this week is called Working on a Building. It's the title of one of their songs. And the lyrics are, I've been working on a building in the darkness. I can't promise what I build won't come crashing down, and it won't feed the people, and it can't raise the dead. It won't stop the water rising. But we need to feed the people, and I'd love to raise the dead. We've got to stop the water rising. And the care of it, wait until you hear it. What I'm trying to say is that this individual effort accumulates. The caravan is a manifestation of that accumulation, that aggregate work that we all do. Because of all of you in this room, we are here. We exceeded our goal by so much at the end of the year because of you. And the work that the three of them do together, just 1 + 1 + 1, has given me a much needed brainwash and reset after 38 very difficult days. So I hope that however you come into this room tonight, you feel that you don't need to escape, but that today we can all just come together in this room for a moment and go back out recharged enough to do a little good, because when we put it all together, it makes a huge difference. Without further ado, Salomé Songbird.
In the darkness, lit only by the moon. Just wait until you see it. Come closer, you might fall in love, but God forbid you do. I can't promise what I build won't come crashing down, and it won't feed the people, and it can't raise them dead. It won't stop the water rising, water rising. I've been working on a building in the darkness, lit only by the moon. Well, I tried to work by sunlight, but I can't help it. I don't like when I can't hide from the but we need to feed the people. And I'd love to raise them dead. I'm gonna stop that water rising, water rising. But I've been working on a bit